May, mahal na mahal kita habang buhay.
In sickness and in health, in good times and bad times, a love that is true and unconditional. This is what Darwin has shown to his wife, Mylene. It's been 3 years since Mylene began showing signs of Parkinson's disease.
Nahihirapan siya, natatakot kasi ako pag madapa. Dahil nahihirapan siya maglakad. Nung siya nagkaganyan, talagang nahihirapan ako maghanap buhay. Tapos kung saan ko kukunin yung panggamot niya. Sa neuro daw ito check up. Kaso lang, wala kaming pera. Ang pinapainom ko lang gamot sa kanya, yung herbal lang po. Yung mga dahon-dahon. Iniisip ko nga kung bakit nagkaganito kami.
Tricycle driving is Darwin's only source of income, but he works hard to stretch his meager salary to meet the needs of Mylene and their children.
Habang nasa trabaho ako iniisip ko kung saan na po siya Kaya tuwing uwi ko, may dala talaga akong pagkain, bibigyan ko pa siya. Mahal na mahal ko yung masawa ko. Minamasahe ko siya tuwing gabi. Mahirap talaga kasi lahat sa'yo Maghahanap buhay ka pa, tapos pag-uwi mo, magdalaba ka pa sa saing at mag-igib. Tapos papakainin mo po siya. Mahirap sa mahirap.
In the midst of his struggle, God heard Darwin's cry for help. The Operation Blessing Philippines team traveled with our volunteer doctors to the town of San Andres, where we set up a mobile medical clinic. Mylene received a new wheelchair to help provide relief as she continues to battle Parkinson's.
Malaking tulong po ito dahil sa paglakad niya, dahil nahihirapan siya. Natatakot kasi ako pag madapa. Kaya malaking tulong po itong wheelchair po. Pag naglalakad sa labas, magagamit ko po ito sa papuntang maglabas.
Because of the faithful support of friends like you, Operation Blessing was able to deliver help and hope to Mylene and Darwin.